Hi guys, so we've just arrived at Volcano Bay.
Yes.
So exciting. Yeah, so we're doing a little bit of our own thing today. So Mum and Emma have gone off to Universal Studios or maybe Islands, I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, probably
the parks
yeah.
rather than Volcano Bay, because I didn't really fancy Volcano Bay. So that's where we're going.
Yeah. Very excited. We haven't been here in ages.
No, we really haven't.
It feels like such a long time ago that we were last here.
Did we go in May? I think the last time we went was in May.
Okay, that's not that long ago then.
Did we go in May? Well, yeah, we did go in May.
Yeah.
And then, well, it's nearly a year. We're nearly in May. We're in February. Because we didn't think we'd go this trip, but because it's like really hot outside.
It's like 30 degrees today, which is nice.
And it's been cloudy, but now it's sunny, so which is really good. So when you come out of the water, we won't be too freezing cold. So yeah.
Yeah, and it is nearly lunchtime as well, so we do need to get some lunch as well.
We do.
We do enjoy the food at Volcano Bay as well.
Maybe we could share like a pulled pork burger or something.
So when you come to Volcano Bay, it's a slightly different way to get in. You're parked down on this like lower ground car, like in the big car park, and then you kind of check in over here. You have to go through security here, I think. Oh no, security is the other side, or is it? No, it is here. It is here. So you go through security here, you hop on a bus, and then you get over there. They also have a ticket booth here, I guess, for the busier days. Maybe in the summer you can get your tickets, but it says purchase tickets at the Volcano Bay entrance, so you can purchase tickets there as well. So we'll share with you a tip that we always say on our videos, is when you come to the first lockers, don't use those. Come to the ones that are a bit further away. So like midway round the park, because far less crowds and you're able to have a nice shower afterwards with no queue. So it's definitely worth doing.
Yeah, it's really good. And also, I just had to go back to the car.
Oh yes.
Because I had glass in my bag, so I forgot to take my little foundation out my bag. So remember to do that before you come.
Yeah, no glass in the park at all. So this is how you rent a locker. Got to hit your tapu on the point. $13 all day. Use Tapu Pay. Can I use Tapu Pay? No, I can't use Tapu Pay. Oh no, I have. Oh no, I haven't got it linked to my account. Credit only, cash at kiosk. Tap it on. Pop the card in. Remove card. Verifying account. Account's been charged. Lock at 35. So we've already tapped into Krakatoa. If you're wondering why my magic band, my Tapu is different colour to Becky's, mine deactivated as soon as we tapped into Krakatoa, so I had to go to guest relations and get it sorted out, but she put it back on kindly. But it's a long wait, 125 minutes. It is quite a busy day here at Volcano Bay today. So So before we ride any rides, we thought we'd come and have a little spot of lunch, and we've got a
gluten-free pork burger.
Yep.
And some fries.
Yeah.
And I've got ketchup and mayo.
Lovely. And also an update on Krakatoa. It did go down, and so we're now looking at a 100-minute wait. We've been in the park probably about 45 minutes. Oh man. So we thought we'd just take a little go in the lazy river, or the winding river as they call it here, just to have a bit of a relax. We're about to go into the Fearless River. Yeah. We've got our vests on. Off we go. Yeah, and we're off. Oh. So nice. I find this one more relaxing than the lazy river. Yeah. I don't know why. It's nice. That's true. You don't have to hold on to anything. So we're just leaving Volcano Bay now. We've had a great time. Just about to drop our tapoos off.
Bye guys.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye tapoos.
Bye bye tapoos. Down they go. So it's around 5 o'clock now. So we're going to head into Universal, maybe City Walk, maybe get some frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt.
Yeah.
Mint cheese.
Mint cheese, yeah, we really love mint cheese. We're going to maybe go there, and then we'll switch back to the normal camera.
Yay. So we've just popped back to the car to drop our bags off, and now we're going into Universal, yay! Well, Universal Studios. Are we going to Studios or Island?
I don't know. The world is our, or Universal is our oyster. Does anyone else find it weird?
Oh, I don't like it. Oh, it's like such an effort. There we go, made it to the top. Another not working one. What's going on today, Lloyd? We're so close though to the entrance, it's literally just here.
Yeah.
Yay, well, to the bag check.
That's another perk that you get when you have a morning at the water park and spend a bit of afternoon time here. We're really close to the water.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So here are our concoctions from Mint Cheese. I've gone for a real combination of things. I've got like a Dole Whip, strawberry and marshmallow. I'm trying to remember what the other one, vanilla and chocolate in there as well. And some boba pearls, Oreos, and some caramel turtles, I think, in there. And what have you got, Becky?
I've got strawberry and marshmallow, peanut butter, and Nutella.
Something.
Nutella and something swirl.
Nice.
The other one. And then that's the sweeties, and some colourful things, and a cherry.
And a cherry, the customary cherry. So we're going to go over and do our favourite ride first of all, which is the Mummy. And then we're going to, it is very loud, then we're going to maybe watch the Mardi Gras parade, because that's starting very soon, like half an hour. So that should be fun and different. So we've got our spot for the parade. Yay! Very excited. It's something.
Really excited because we haven't seen anything like this before, have we?
No, we haven't. And it's super loud, isn't it?
It is so
Mardi
loud.
Gras music.
This is a bit dangerous. Lloyd got hit in the head.
I've got some already, yeah. But
Yay.
yeah, people right in the head.
Wow.
Becky's caught 3 so far. Oh yes! What a catch! So you're going to see how many Becky can catch. I believe in you, Becky, you can do it. Ow! Ow! Yes! So that's the parade over. You got quite a lot of beads.
Yeah.
I got quite a few too.
Look at Lloyd's collection. Well done, Lloyd. Thank you for giving me most of the ones you caught as well.
It was hard to vlog and to Insta stories and to catch beads. Quite a few hit me on the head.
Yeah, but well done. I caught like 2, I think, at the most, and picked all the rest up on the floor. So
Good going. So we're following the parade, but only because we're going now into Transformers. It's only like a 10-minute wait, so it should be like a walk-on, which should be fun.
minute wait, Lloyd.
Huh?
20-minute wait.
Yeah, I'm well up for that. Let's get it.
So we just jumped back in the car. We're just waiting for Mum and Emma to come back.
Yeah.
Because they were over still in Islands and we were in studios. So yeah, so they're gonna be joining us in a bit, and then we're gonna be going to the Cheesecake Factory.
Yes.
What did you think of the Mardi Gras parade, Lloyd?
Mardi Gras parade is interesting. It was something that we've never experienced, so it's really good.
Yeah.
I enjoyed collecting my beads.
Still got them on. I've taken mine off.
no,
You're going to the Cheesecake
I will take
Factory?
I will take them off before we get to the Cheesecake Factory. But I'm excited for that. What did you think of the parade anyway?
Yeah, it's alright. It's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Well, it's not
I
it's
really
not my
want to be-
favourite parade.
No, so when you're a pass holder, you get to be on one of the floats. It really made me want to do that.
Yeah.
So
We may
we
try.
might try. We
Yeah.
could try.
Because we're back on Friday,
yeah.
I think it is. So we're
Yeah.
going to try and see if we can get in that ballot to but you do it via the app.
Yeah.
We'll show you guys if we end up doing it.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
So we've come to the Cheesecake Factory for dinner, and here is the very extensive menu.
It's crazy how much stuff there is.
It's literally got everything. Everything basically from burgers to pasta to salad, pizza, like everything you can possibly think of, hasn't it?
Yeah, and cheesecake.
And cheesecake
Which
for pudding.
I'm quite excited about. I want to take one home, I think. I might get the Oreo
Yeah.
cream.
I want to take one home, then we'll eat it when we get back, yeah?
Yeah, deal.
So here are our drinks. I've gone for a big wave Kona, something like that. IPA. Gold. Oh, what was it? Right, I'll get the official what it actually was. It was Kona Big Wave Golden Ale. That's it right there. Becky's got a Mai Tai. Is it nice?
It's really nice.
She.
Apparently has a strong taste, it doesn't.
No, right. She warned, didn't she?
It's a lot of rum. Not too much.
Helen's got a Blue Moon beer, and Emma's got a raspberry lemonade. Is that right? Yeah. Is it nice? Yeah. Has it got like what's it? Sugar on the rim? So the famous bread has arrived. Very excited to actually try this. We didn't get this last time we were in the Cheesecake Factory, so I'm looking forward to trying it.
How's the bread, Lloyd? Nice. What's it like?
Quite sweet. It's like malty. It's like a bit like malt loaf. Well, not quite. It's like a cross between like rusty bread and malt loaf. It's really nice.
Just going to apologise for the light. It looks like you're like backlit. But it's fine.
So the food has arrived, and this is my giant portion of meatballs and spaghetti. And Becky's pasta with chicken.
And 4 cheese.
And 4 cheese. It looks amazing. Again, massive. And there's Helen's, what one's that? Green curry, Thai green curry. Wow, look at the portion of rice there is mental. And there's Emma's lasagna verde.
Very nice.
It's amazing. Like, I can't even give you a scale of this, really. I mean, that's my hand. It's like huge, absolutely huge. So this is what the total came to, which actually is really good for the amount of food that we had and everything. That is good value. So we're just back from the Cheesecake Factory. It's actually far later than I thought it was. I looked at my phone, I was
we got out of the restaurant, it's like 11.
11 o'clock. There's still people coming in though for their dinner, which is bonkers.
Crazy.
We are gonna try and get up early again to get a boarding group for
like
Rise.
5:30 early.
Yeah, we've got to do it. We've got to do it.
This is going to be like the theme of our vlogs, isn't it? Getting a
Will we do
boarding group.
Yeah.
for Rise of the Resistance.
Man. So yeah, if you want to see if we actually do get one, then you've got to be subscribed to these videos, because you've got to see if we actually make it on. Oh man.
Yeah, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, let's hope we get that pass. Bye.